guys, and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today's video is rounding recurring decimals part 2. So we are going to be looking at how to express reoccurring decimals as fractions, obviously in its lowest terms if possible, because exam style questions sometimes will say like express the fraction, express the decimal as a fraction in its lowest terms, and the lowest terms just means like writing the fraction as like simple as possible. Right guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name's Abdallah and I'm a private maths tutor. Okay, don't forget guys to drop the video a like and subscribe if you're new. Okay, but let's get on with like today's video. Okay, right guys, so it's reoccurring decimals. So we're looking at GCSE higher tier for grade 6, 7 for AQA, OCR and EdXL. Okay, for maths, and WJEC specification. Okay, right guys, so decimals, okay, so obviously, so these are what I call decimals, so it's part of a whole number. Okay, so all these decimals, okay, can be expressed as fractions, okay, in its lowest terms. Okay, so every decimal actually, whether it's a terminate decimal, so i.e. like a finite decimal, can be expressed as a fraction, or a reoccurring decimal. Okay, so everything can be expressed as fractions. Okay, and that comes from the idea because obviously decimals can be written as a fraction, out of 100. Obviously 100 doesn't have like infinite number of factors, it's got like a finite number of factors, and that's why we have like reoccurring decimals, because there are some numbers that do not go into 100 fully, and that's how we get like reoccurring decimals. Okay, right guys, we're gonna look at like examples, like three examples today, actually slightly more trickier examples. Okay, right guys, so example 1 actually, so express 0.508 actually with a dot on there as a fraction. Okay, so so the dots here, guys, means so it repeats here, so it's 0.508, 508, 508, 508, and so on and so forth. Okay, rather than like write the dots actually like on all three. That's like a way of just expressing it as the whole thing, but just on like two dots, if that makes sense. Okay. So 10R would be 5.085085085, and so on and so on. Okay, so remember that reoccurring means that it goes on forever. 100R is 50.80, should be 805 actually. Okay, no, 50.8085, 085, 085, 085. Yeah, sorry, I am right there, so ignore what I just said. 085, and so on and so forth. $1,000 is 508.085, 085, 085, 085, 085. Okay, so now what I do, guys, is I look at my place value. So I label all the equations 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I look at my right hand side. If I look at equation 4 here and equation 2, it's got 0.085, 085, 085 actually. So when I do equation 4 here, subtract equation 2, all the points on the right hand side of my decimal will actually cancel actually, so it would just be 0. So I get 100R minus 10R, which is 990R. 508 minus 5 is 503. Okay, to get R on its own, I would divide both sides by 990. So R is equal to 503 divided by 990. So that is how I work out that one. Okay, so it's all about, guys, it is all about knowing, where where the things actually cancel, at the right hand side of my decimal places. Right guys, example number 2, express 0.76 on the top as a fraction. Okay, right, so the 6 there means that it's just the 6 that is repeating. Okay, right guys, this one's gonna be obviously slightly more different, but we are still following the same rules. Okay, we still want to get it so the equations obviously cancel on the right hand side of my decimal. Okay, so R is equal to 0.76666666, so on and so forth. 10R is equal to 7.66666666, so on actually. So remember that obviously 10R means that I multiply by 10. Okay, so everything moves one place to the left. 100R is 76.66666666, so on and so forth. Right, I'm going to do equation 2, 3, take away equation 2, because 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So all these are going to cancel. 76 minus 7 is going to be 69. 100R minus 10R is going to be 90R. Okay, so that is how I would do that one. Okay, so I get 90R is equal to 69. R is equal to 69 over 90, which simplifies to 23 over 30 by dividing top and bottom by 3. Okay, so that is how I would work out that one. Right, guys, example number 3. Express 0.234 with a dot on 3 and 4 as a fraction. Okay, so the 3 and 4 actually repeat actually. So it's R is equal to 0.234234, or sorry, 23434343434. 10R equals 2.343434343434. 100R is 23.434343434343, and so on. 1,000R actually, so it should be 1,000R then, not 100R. 1,000R equals 234.3434343434, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this time, guys, I will do equation 4 subtract equation 2. Okay, so that's to get rid of the place values on the right hand side here of my decimal, because this is the whole point, guys. Yeah, this is the whole point, and the whole procedure is that we want to cancel all the reoccurring decimals. Yeah, obviously, obviously that appear in the same place value like each time, so we get like a whole number, like fraction, if that makes sense. Okay, so 100R take away 10R is 990R. 234 take away 2 is 232. Okay, 3 minus 3 is going to be 0. 4 minus 4 is going to be 0. 3 minus 3 is going to be 0. So that's all going to cancel. So R is equal to 232 divided by 990, which is 116 divided by 495, which is our fraction in its lowest terms. And I've done that by dividing top and bottom by 2. Okay, so I hope that was clear, guys. Yeah, okay, yeah, I hope it made sense, guys. Obviously, comment below actually, if you've got any questions or queries. Okay, also, guys, yeah, feel free to check out Maths Genie, Primus Kit, and Corbett Maths, Maths Chelsea, and there's Hegarty Maths and Exam Solutions. Okay, yeah, feel free actually to check them out, guys, actually, yeah, because they're really, really good, like, YouTube channels. Okay, and the very last point, guys, actually, yeah, like for anyone out there actually celebrating Eid, actually, so it's Eid Mubarak, guys. So wishing everyone a happy Eid, celebrating Eid. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Yeah, as ever, please do subscribe, like, yeah, and comment below and share my videos. Okay, and I'll speak to you tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, happy Sunday. Bye now.